Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to reset the Bluetooth settings on this device. Simply go to your settings and scroll down, tap on the option General Management. Then here you can see the option Reset. Tap on this one. So here you can see some reset options, reset all settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset accessibility settings. Select the option Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You can see this will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This cannot be undone. After tap on the option Reset. Okay. Now confirm this with the reset settings. You can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. So resetting resetting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings clear all Bluetooth issues. Okay, so simply in this way we can reset the Bluetooth settings on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.